Hi, Conway. It's Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside. Nice to see you again. This is Conway 29526 for April 2024. And prices were, steady at $338,989 for an average sales price. And then you can see the average days on market are 121. It's the lowest in 2024. And the average price per square foot went up actually to the highest that it's been, 148 till April. And then we have a little bit more inventory because everyone knows they're building a lot of new building going out in Conway. So 3.9%, it's the highest it's been. Excuse me. Totally, you can see if you look up the 23, you can see we have much more building going on. Look at the listings, average listings, 422. Wow, that's awesome. A lot more than last year at this time. 172 pending sales and 138 closed sales, which is, look at, a lot of people buying right now. That's crazy. It's like almost, well, 190 would be, but it's like 1.5 of what it's been up to date to April. So good going, Conway. If you're interested in purchasing or selling a home, please give me a call. I'd love to go over my marketing with you. I've been doing this for 24 years and I'd love to help anyone I can. Thanks. Take care. Thanks for watching.